Okay, so hi dear Aries, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal a reading for all the Aries Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 8 till the 14th of September 2025. Um, Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story at all. Don't try to fit yourself forcibly into the reading, okay? Want to be a reader like me? Purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box. Tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links there for those things. Good to go? Let's see. Overall energy for the connection for Aries people right now at this present moment. Overall energy for Aries people for the connection right now at the present moment is, let's see what we have. We have the Ace of Swords. It's like after a lot of confusion and ifs and buts and conflicts and issues, things are going a little bit forward now. Now basically even if they are not physically going forward, you guys are gaining the proper truth and clarity about the situation from both the sides, and now things can be a little more easier for you to deal with. hmm? Because of the clarity and the newfound truth that you guys are able to understand in the situation. Right now things are a little difficult and challenging to deal with, but at the same time something in the situation is shifting to the level of understanding that this is it and this is never going to change. A truth, a clarity, and understanding of the situation properly. And both of you are right now feeling like you guys will be able to get it. Maybe individually, like you guys will be able to let go of the situation properly, and or for some of you, you guys will be able to manage it properly, like coming back together in a positive way. Whatever path you are choosing, it's out of clarity, and this situation is finally crystal clear to you guys as it was not before. Yeah, almost crystal clear, and now you can make up your mind and your choice properly. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment, Aries. Three of Swords. Okay, this is a heartbroken kind of energy. Somebody is feeling a lot of pain here right now, maybe because of multiple energies, multiple things going on at the same time. And or this person is completely heartbroken right now at this present moment, and they're trying to move on from the pain that they're experiencing. It's not because of this situation only. There are other things also that's making this people making this person's life a little bit more miserable. Let's clarify the Three of Swords. We have the Emperor, the Page of Swords, and the Five of Swords. Yeah, this person is feeling like they should put on this facade of everything is fine. I'm just learning my things. I'm doing really good in my life. But the more they're watching you from a distance, the more this distance is becoming more and more with each passing day. The more it's becoming heartbreaking and painful for them. This person is stressed out like hell right now, Aries. They are mentally not happy, they're emotionally not happy. The distance is kind of killing them. Not only the distance, the way you are handling yourself, the way you are moving on, this person is watching you from a distance, and whatever you're doing, they're not liking it. That's breaking their heart. Maybe now this person is realizing that this distance is now permanent, or they will never be able to get that version of you that they left behind. Something in this situation is totally different from what it used to be, and it's breaking this person's heart very badly, and they're stressed out. The more they're watching you, the more they're getting stressed out, the more they're feeling heartbroken, and the more they are trying to put on this facade of everything is fine. I'm facing what I did, I'm facing my own deeds here, right? So this person is feeling heartbroken and sad the more they're watching you, and the more the distance is becoming farther and farther in this condition. Let's see what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Aries. Tower. Wow. This situation is falling apart or it's already gone. You are waking up to the reality here. You are waking up to the rude reality, naked truth, and it's shaking your world. What is happening? Three of Swords, the Tower. This is not a happy reading. This is a disaster. What's happening, Aries? You tell me. It's like you're waking up to the reality, like you never was prepared for this kind of rude awakening. My God. We have the Justice and the Queen of Pentacles and the Eight of Swords. Okay, you are managing it like a pro now. You feel like this is justice, this is the balance, this is the justice arriving on your door, and now you feel like you are much more stable, much more calmer in your life. But at the same time, you're not able to let go of the negativity. You are still feeling trapped somehow in a particular situation, mentally trapped, emotionally, and you can say physically. You are out of a situation, you are feeling like this is how it should be, and now out of the blue you are feeling like this is justice, this is exactly how it should be, and you are feeling calmer. You are feeling with each passing day, you are feeling like you will be able to get through this in a much more mature and grounded way. But at the same time, there is something that's keeping you stuck, mentally stuck in the situation, and the more you are trying to get rid of this mental jail kind of situation, you are not able to do that. You are trying, but you are not there yet, where you are completely out of this situation and loving your life to the fullest. Physically and emotionally, yes, you may be, but mentally you are still going there from time to time. Okay, it's like success, justice. This is exactly how it should be. So maybe they're facing their karma now for breaking your heart or breaking your trust or doing something stupid at some point of time, and now you're realizing that's why the universe took this much time to do certain thing in my life. Now I am happy. Now I can see the reality properly and honestly. Even if it is something good, it's shaking your energies from the core. Okay, the way it's coming is kind of shaking your energies. Wow. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Lovers, their intention here is to choose the right person, choose the right direction, make the right decision, make the right choice here. Maybe this person is having a choice between you and somebody else, and or they're having a choice of leaving this situation behind permanently or sticking around. Whatever the case may be, this person wants to make the right choice, make the right decision here, because they're already going through a lot in their life. They don't want to repeat the same kind of stupidity again. What is happening, Baba? You tell me, Aries. Let's clarify this. Okay, honey, come on. Let's clarify this. The lovers. We are having the Page of Pentacles, the Seven of Swords, and the Hanged Man. Wow. Still playing the same game. Aren't you tired of it? This is someone who wants to come forward towards you with some kind of brand new offer. Wow. It's like this person wants to offer you, let's say, a box of chocolate, but that's like only the coating of the chocolate. But inside the chocolate there is shit. There is something totally spoiled, and it stinks. This person wants to come forward towards you with some kind of offer that looks like really good and meaningful and deep, but inside that offer they are still the same stinky, manipulative, deceptive energy. But they want to make it look like that they are making a very wise choice, very wise decision here. This person wants you to see them in a different light, from a different perspective, from a different angle, so that they can somehow earn their respect back in your eyes. So that's why this person wants to come forward towards you with some kind of offer of, let's start the friendship again. Let's start from the start again, but this person is refusing to be honest and loyal with you the way they should. This person is still not coming forward towards you with that honesty and loyalty kind of energy. They are still trying to be deceptive, trying to, you know, enter in your life by hook or by crook, so that they can do the same shady and deceptive things again. My god, this is somebody who is definitely heartbroken and sad and depressed and everything like that, but they haven't changed yet. So their ego is telling them to enter in your life somehow so that they can ruin your life more. And according to them, they're not planning to ruin their life. It's not like it's their plan to ruin your life. Their plan is to somehow enter in your life and start the connection again, maybe just a friendship kind of a deal again, so that they can earn your respect somehow and stay in your life somehow in some way. Their intention is not to hurt you or harm you, right? I don't see that. But their intention is not of changing also. They're still the same. I don't see them changing. It's like another day, same story. Wow. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Mm-hmm. Aries. Ace of Cups. From your side, you just want to get yourself ready for new person, new connection, new love. You just want your emotions to be together. Right now, you are overwhelmed by everything that's going on, so you are ready for a brand new chapter, a brand new connection, a brand new story. But you want your emotions to be at one place, to be sorted properly, and then move forward. Ace of Cups is a card of brand new beginning, with a lot of emotions, overflowing emotions. So they're all over the place right now. So you want to get them together and then want to have a brand new beginning here, right? Let's clarify the Ace of Cups, honey, for you guys. We have the Queen of Cups, the Queen of Swords, and the Five of Pentacles. Yeah, you want to fill your cup with the self love, self care, self healing first, and then you want to cut everything or everyone out of your life, out of your system that's making you feel miserable in any way. The situation, the people, the things that make you feel left out in the cold, made you feel left out in the cold in the past. Now you are ready to let them go fully out of your life, out of your system, and now you want to like love yourself like crazy and then move forward towards something new or someone new. The plan here is to love ourselves this much that even if there is not going to be any person for us anymore, we are going to be happy. That is the plan for all the Aries sign right now. This is what you guys want. This is absolutely gorgeous and beautiful, beautifully aligned energies. Okay, you were not able to cut the crap, although Aries people are aggressive in nature, most of them, but they're sweethearts from heart. It's like they're very innocent soul. It's like anger and sweetness mixed together, right? And their anger is quick, like a bubble. It comes and goes quickly, but they're sweethearts. They're sweet people. Of course, not all the Aries are like this, but generally it's like a general trait for Aries people. We're going to talk about it someday, right? The general traits of all the signs. Fun, in a fun way. Let's see what could be the possible outcome for you guys till the what we have, honey? 14th of September. King of Wands. It's like this is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy, wearing your heart on your sleeves and moving forward. Very attracted to the idea of going towards something or someone. Like, let's do it, okay, without thinking about the consequences. My goodness, let me clarify this as the outcome for you guys, honey. Where's my other phone? Okay. We have the Six of Wands, the Fool card, and the Seven of Pentacles. It's like you jumping into the unknown, not knowing what's going to happen next, but is very, very excited and very much in this energy of, I know I am going to win this time, and waiting for your actions to show you the good results, right? Typical Aries energy of, let's do it and we will think about it later on what's going to happen, but I know this time I am going to be successful and victorious. Okay, all I have to do is I have to take the action from my side, I have to make this happen from my side, and let it come to me when it is the time. Will you be able to wait for the timing, wait for the right timing? Because it's like a little bit of not aggressive but passionate energy of, okay, let's make it happen, let's do it. I know the universe helps those who help themselves, so let me do it. Hmm? So you are going to feel very, very free and open to go ahead in your life, and you are going to work on multiple areas of your life, including your personality, your job, your career, your looks, and you are going to be like, okay, let's jump into the unknown and let's see what comes next, what happens next. Okay, awesome. Awesome. For you, the guidance here is the Three of Cups. Celebrate your life. You don't try to find reasons to celebrate your life. You have already enough reasons to celebrate the small, small moments in your life. Okay. So, yeah, go out of your comfort zone, connect with like minded people, connect with community, connect with soul tribe kind of energies. Do whatever it takes from your side to make yourself comfortable and happy, but you definitely have to go out of your comfort zone and start connecting with people. It's not difficult for Aries people, they socialize uh, beautifully when they are in their own zone. So just go there, go out there, have fun, and start living your life to the fullest, and you will be able to achieve whatever you want to achieve by keeping yourself in the high vibrations. Okay, you will be able to achieve it. I don't say a warning, and I don't say any guideline for you. You guys are doing it amazingly, amazingly beautiful. I don't have anything like that to say for you. Okay, let this is the question time, question answer time. Close your eyes, take three deep breaths, ask a question very, very specifically. Keep it short and simple. Three times in your mind, the same question three times. I'm going to answer in yes or no or maybe or something that's in the cards. Okay, so this is regarding your love and relationship area only, because this is love reading. So close your eyes, take three deep breath, ask a question three times in your mind very, very thoroughly, and then I'm going to give you 10 seconds for the same. Your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is get more information. This is self-explanatory. I'm not going to explain this. You guys have to get more information about a particular situation before moving forward in that direction. Okay, that's it for you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, Aries. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.